Paris! It's such an exciting week because this week is full of fun activities. I love being over here. I've been here many times, so I want to share with you all my best tips and my best recommendations for Paris while I take you along with me this entire week. Autumn in Paris is the best because there's all the fashion, you get to layer up and look really cute, and I'm really excited to take many nice photos over here. It's also my first time being here with my boyfriend, so it's gonna be a romantic trip for us. Today is a very exciting day because I am meeting my best friend. She lived with me in the UK and now she's basically just traveling the world, and we're gonna meet up again after almost a year apart, which is crazy. We used to live together. So I can't wait to see her. I can't wait to take some strolls around Paris. Right now it's around 8 a.m. and we are heading outside and starting our day. I'll give you a quick tour of the apartment, show you our view, which is gorgeous, and then we're gonna head out. This is our room. It's gorgeous. I love all the windows. They're very big windows. You can see everything from outside. We're on a corner, so you get the view from this street, and then over here from the street coming that way, and from the street coming this way as well. Today is the second day in Paris and we actually are going to Versailles. I'm so excited about it because in all the times I've been here, I never went there, and today is actually a pretty great day. As you can see outside, we have this beautiful view from the windows, and it's actually a sort of a balcony. We open it here. There you go. Just so pretty. Yesterday was a very good day. I ended up meeting my best friend that I haven't seen in around 8 months now, so that was really good. We walked around, had a drink, went shopping a little bit. I also realized autumn in Paris is really cold, and it's actually colder than it was in the UK before we left. I had to buy a scarf, and I bought a pink scarf from Uniqlo, and I think it's really cute. I'm gonna show it to you. It's very chunky and very fluffy, and I love it. I'm gonna wear it a lot during winter. Yesterday we had dinner at this restaurant called Bouillon, which is traditional French food. It's actually very quick service, and the food was really good. It's simple but really good. It's a place I would definitely recommend if you want to try some traditional French food that people used to have years and years ago. Today we're making a day trip out of Versailles, and we're heading out of the house now. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I'm big on health and wellness, and even when I'm traveling, I try to incorporate healthy habits into my routines. Even though they change so much, I love having a structured morning routine, and I brought with me my Magic Mind Productivity Shot. It contains organic lion mane's mushroom, which is great to improve cognitive health and mental focus and clarity, which I love because I want to feel like I'm really present during this trip. I've been drinking this for about 2 months now, and it's just such an easy habit that I can include it during my morning routines, even when I'm traveling. If you'd like to try it, you can use my code GiovannaL20, that's GIOVANAL20, to get yours too. It's already our third day in Paris. Yesterday was a very fun day. We loved Versailles. It was so beautiful, definitely worth the trip, and it's only 30 minutes from Paris. At least it was from the station we are in. If you are around and you have a few more days to spare, then definitely go there. It's worth it, and I recommend it. We went to this very cute cafe as well that you've probably seen on the shots, and the coffee was so good. I'll leave you the address there as well. In the evening we went to a bar à vin, so a wine bar, to meet up with my friend, the one that got married, and it was so nice to see her again here before she goes on honeymoon today. The wedding was in Brittany in France, and it was truly a fairy tale wedding. They got married in a castle, and it was the most beautiful wedding I've ever seen. The state was amazing, overlooking all this nature, and I had the best time over there. They really partied very hard. It was a memorable day that I'm never going to forget. And now we're just getting ready to head out as well, because we have a full day packed with lots of things to see, lots of things to do, and I cannot wait. de profil. It's already our 4th day in Paris and I'm so excited about today because it's a more chill day and we got to rest a lot more. Yesterday we walked around 20 kilometers and that's just insane to me because we've been walking so much and doing so many things, and today is also raining, so it's a great opportunity to just have a more chill day and walk around, go into the shops. We're now in the Apple store, which is so beautiful. I hope you can see a little bit of it. And we're in Champs-Élysées today, Arc de Triomphe, and probably just walking around at the parks if the rain gets better. If not, just in the shops and having a more chilled afternoon as well. I was meant to film in the apartment today, but because we got up later, we got up at 9 already, I just decided to do it out in the streets because I needed to get ready and get out of the house before it was too late. But au revoir, I will see you later and I hope you enjoy seeing our 4th day in Paris. It's our last day in Paris. It's our 5th day today, and yesterday we've done Montmartre and Petit Palais. Petit Palais was definitely worth the visit. It's not something that a lot of people would recommend, but if you're coming over here, I would definitely say go and do it. It's also free. They have lots of expositions and it's worth checking it out. Today we'll have a slow morning because it's our last morning as well, and we just want to do some things around the flat, and we might go to Musée d'Orsay as well because we've heard it's really good and they have some really good pieces there too. Yesterday it was raining so much. It was like we were in a swimming pool and all our clothes were super wet, my shoes, and now I have to pack and I don't know what to do with them. But our bag is almost ready. I left the wet clothes for last, but I don't think there will be any way to get it dried before we travel back to London. We're going at lunchtime, so at lunchtime we're leaving Paris and heading to the airport. But it's been such a lovely trip, and it was so nice to meet up with some of my friends here as well. It was my first time with Guille, and we just had the best time. And today, let's go and enjoy our last morning and head back to London.